compare our Simplehuman large kitchen trash can here to our Simplehuman double kitchen trash can. So firstly, this is the large trash can. It uses a size J liner. It's got quite a lot of capacity. It's got this nice stainless steel finish, quite solid. You can press the pedal on the bottom to open it, so you don't have to be reaching in and touching that at all. Overall, nice capacity, nice big trash can, again with that J liner. Now another alternative, this is the double trash can. A little bit wider, a little bit narrower than the other one though. And basically the biggest difference, as we open this, you can see it has two compartments. There's one on the side here and then one over here. And so this is great if you want to divide your recycling and your trash, or you want to have a compost section or anything. You have two trash cans and two inserts. You can take each of these out separately in one can. Overall, I like to use the bigger capacity of this larger trash can. I think I'd probably get two of these to divide recycling and compost and trash. But I think if you want to have them divided in one container, the double's a great option. Otherwise, I would go with this larger one.